We're going to talk about finding the roots of a complex number. The number of roots of a complex number is equal to that root. So a number has 3 cubed roots, 2 square roots, 5 fifth roots. So let's take a look first at our formula that we're going to use today. I'm going to take the nth root of some complex number. And first step is to take the nth root of my radius. And I'm going to use cis theta form to save ourselves some time. R cis theta plus 2 pi k all over n. All right, so let's analyze the parts of the formula. So the n is the number of roots, so if it's the cubed root, we put a 3 there, we put a 3 here, and then underneath, right down here, we have another 3. The k represents some integer value starting with 0, and we do a different k value each time we do the problem. Because we're looking for, say, 3 cubed roots, we're going to use 0, 1, and 2. If we were looking for 5 fifth roots, we would use 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so let's take a look at an example problem. And the problem that I'm going to choose is going to be the square roots. Oops, let's undo that. The square roots of, let's see, z to the 1/2 of my number z will be 5 cis pi over 2. There we go. So the first step is going to be to take the square root of 5. So the square root of 5, oops, that. Try that again. The square root of 5, this, my angle pi over 2, plus 2 pi times k. Now remember, we're doing 2 of these, so we're going to start with 0, and then the second one is going to be a 1, all over n. N is 2 because we're doing square roots. So all of that stuff together makes my first root. So my answer for the first of the 2 square roots, I'm going to write it up here, is root 5 cis pi over 4. That's the first of my 2 square roots. My next square root is also going to begin with the square root of 5. Oops. And instead of plugging in k is 0, this time we plug in k is 1. So 2 pi times 1 all over 2, because we're doing 2 square roots. This will give me my second answer. And my result is going to be, I'm going to write it down here, root 5 cis, let's see, pi over 2 plus 2 pi is 5 pi over 2 divided by 2 is going to give me 5 pi over 4. So that's my second of the 2 square roots. Hope that helps.